Rĩrĩ ithurano nini cia Olkalao itigĩti mathaa itabanio, ngwatanĩro ya mũng'ethanĩro nĩ ĩikĩtie mĩario ĩgiĩ woni wao ithurano-inĩ ici na ũhũthĩri wa nyanake. Matongoretio nĩ mũtongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka marauga thirikari no mũhaka ĩtĩkĩre maumĩrĩra ma matua ma mũingĩ ithurano-inĩ ici cia Olkalao.
Mr. Ruto, accept defeat. It is decent to do so.
Oho Kalonzo akĩũria borithi kwaga gũtũmĩka kuoyohia aikari a Olkalao kana kũruta ngũĩ hĩndĩ ya ithurano ici.
We have seen Mr. Kanja. You're deployed of 1,000. I think it's on everybody's telephone. 1,000 police have been deployed to Olkalao. We pray to God that this is not another kind of election as happened in Berry North. And the country noted.
Mũtongoria wa Democratic Party JB Mũturi ona atekũruta wĩra akiuga atĩ kwĩna njama ya kũgiria amwe a aikari gũgaikia kura kuona nĩ manyitĩtwo ũgeni thingira-inĩ wa iregi.
We have seen invitation cards circulating where William Ruto has purportedly invited 20,000 residents of Olkalao. He does not refer to them as voters, although the residents of Olkalao are the ones who are going to vote, to State House tomorrow for dinner.
Atongoria ari hamwe na mũtongoria wa People's Liberation Party Martha Karua makimenereria ũhũthĩri wa nyanake gũtabanio teti gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na tharĩkĩra iria iratũngio mũng'ethanĩro.
The goons are coming from our homes as citizens, our neighborhoods, our communities. Let us talk to each other. And to the police, the few rogue officers.
These incidences, together with the events unfolding across the country, raise serious questions about whether public institutions are discharging their constitutional obligations impartially and effectively.
Through a peaceful transfer of presidential power, we must not allow that achievement to be undermined by a growing culture of intimidation, goonism, and politically sponsored violence.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtĩka Rĩithi wa Njenga.